Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to talk about the launch of the new Cubot X30. This is Cubot's next flagship device. It starts around £194. They come in three colours: black, gradient green or blue. You can purchase the 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, or the 8GB of RAM with 256. Now that one is currently retailing at £229. So the X30 will be running Android 10, an octa-core CPU with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display, 2310 by 1080p, and the phone will also include an NFC chip. It comes with a rather big 4200 Milliamp battery, and you'll find the fingerprint sensor on the side of this device, which I've seen other smartphones do in the past. This has a 48 megapixel 5 AI camera setup, and that's one of the main selling points that Cubot are aiming for here. The front-facing camera is 32 megapixel, and the phone has global 4G bands. So the global launch is July 10th, and Cubot are giving away 10 units. There will be links in the description below to this giveaway. If you want to head down there, click on the link and enter the competition for a chance to win one of the Cubot X30. And this giveaway is international. And if you can't wait for that, you can add to the cart and purchase straight away. So that was a quick look at the Cubot X30. Hopefully I'll be able to get my hands on one of these. Links to everything is in the description below, guys, if you want to take a look. And if you're entering the competition, good luck. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.